I'm Alan Train from CodeArt. I was lucky enough to get invited to Opticon 2022, and I got to do a little presentation where I demoed a way where you can use AI assisted content creation in your Optimizely Content Cloud, also known as Optimizely CMS. And this is just a quick video for those that missed the show that want to see that functionality. So obviously here over the last 6 months, everybody's been talking about stuff like DALL-E 2 and Stable Diffusion, which is awesome technologies. AI technologies where you can basically take a prompt of text and have AI imagine what that would look like as a photo or a painting or a visualization or whatever. And almost every day it seems like there are new competitors coming out there. Stable Diffusion is one, Midjourney is another. Meta has started to develop ways where you can do quick videos that way. Before that, over the last few years, we've seen text algorithms with AI-generated text has been going really advanced, especially GPT-3 from OpenAI has been pretty advanced. And I've been really fascinated with these technologies and have played around with them for quite a bit, but I wanted to see how we could use that to enhance the life of a content editor. So here's a quick demo of that. So, hang on, here we go. So here I have my Optimizely CMS, also known as Optimizely Content Cloud. And I'm going to pretend that today I'm an editor. I have to create a new press release here. So let's go down here and find my press releases. I'm going to go new page, and it's an article page. Let's imagine something crazy. Alloy has a spin-off company called Alloy X. That will be supplying the International Space Station with cold beer, which I think is really important if you're at the International Space Station. So we've created the article. Now we need to create some content for this article. So let's see here. We should probably have some text first of all. So we could go in here and we could just jump over to content. And let's produce a teaser text. Let's just ask the AI to create a text for us here. Simple text, intro text about a company, Alloy X, that will supply cold beer to the International Space Station. I can probably come up with something a little bit better than what I just wrote, so I'm gonna run that code. It takes a while. This is only prototype code, so there's a few bugs here and there, but you should get the idea across. So it added some information here. It's a company that supplies cold beer, based in the United States, founded in 2017. It kind of made that up, I guess. The more instructions you give it, the better the text will obviously be. And we really want to help astronauts enjoy a cold beer in space. Sure. We should also get a main body text here. We can write a bit more. So we should say, write an article about the importance for astronauts enjoy a cold beer on space station by Alloy X with a quote from Alloy's CEO. Let's see what we get from that. And again, we are asking GPT-3 and AI to generate text here that would be useful. And we actually get an article. And of course, we could tweak this and adjust the length and add more stuff to it. But this is a good place to start. So now we have a couple of texts. And next, we just kind of need an image we could use here. So if I go in here and I go down here, I'm going to go generate image. And let's suggest something like as now in space station, open fridge to get a cold beer. Let's see what we get from them. So now it's actually trying to call and get some illustrations, getting an actual astronaut. This is probably the one that I prefer. So let's go with that, but we might want to change it to this one later. So I'm picking those two images. I'm going to go save. Saved. And now we can actually drag and drop the images in here. I think I would prefer to have this image here. Just drag it up and put it there. Publish the page. We have the image there. Now I'm seeing that it wasn't exactly everything I was hoping for, so I'm going to remove it and instead pick the illustration instead. This one here. There we go. So we have that one set up. It's ready for use. And I mean, this isn't perfect, but it's a start, and you can always tweak on your queries and what you want from it, and hopefully get something that's much, much better, both with regards to the text and with regards to the other stuff you get, to the images. If you previously made one, move on ahead and first of all have them commission an artist to paint the dev team at work. In this case, these are hardworking developers in the style of Michael Anker, an Danish artist that lived a long time ago. But it was kind of fun to see how Alloy Technologies could potentially start employing the bears they saved. So here they got a polar bear actually working on a laptop. And I asked it to produce a good text for that. And it suggests that these polar bears need to be trained in problem solving, critical thinking, teamwork. I was looking into how can we help teams collaborate online. That's one of the products, Alloy Meetup here. So of course we introduced that. And a few other things here. You know, we were setting up a conference in San Diego and so on, spun off a new company. In this press release with cars that run purely on vanilla ice cream. So that's cool to get in there. And now obviously we have the story about LOX that'll be supplying space station with cold beer. That fits very well with our new product that was also AI generated, which is Alloy Space, where we are trying to ship developers into orbit around Jupiter. It's really cool technology. You can do a lot of stuff with it. So yeah, this is just a quick demo I wanted to do. I would say this is not technology I would just leave out there. This is stuff that you would want to hold in the hand as an editor, but you could use it to enhance your text, to enhance your visualizations, maybe get rid of some of the stock photos and have something more custom that fits to your needs. If you want to know more, feel free to reach out and have a chat with me. You can go to codart.dk to learn more.